I'm Nalini from Chennai. I hold a bachelor's degree in commerce and a postgraduate diploma in applied yogic sciences. I have 2.5 decades of rich experience in working with different multinational companies. I worked in various managerial roles. By the grace of my masters, I got the opportunity to learn to conduct past life regression therapy and transpersonal hypnotherapy under the able guidance of PLR practitioner and trainer Brother Gopal Maheshwari. It was a 6 week long online training session. He taught me the nuances and techniques of efficiently taking the client through age regression, womb regression, and into their past lives. He also trained me in accessing the Akashic records. My training started with him by he conducting PLR therapy on me. So this gave me a practical experience of how the whole session works. Training did not stop with just learning the techniques, but he made me conduct online PLR sessions in his presence. This hand-holding has given me immense confidence in conducting PLR therapy. I have independently conducted 4 to 5 face-to-face sessions immediately after my training. Each session was an experience and a revelation to me. I'm really glad to see my clients get over their guilt, anger, frustration, depression, anxiety, sleep disorders, to name a few. PLR therapy greatly helps in addressing relationship issues. It helps clear disruptive past life trauma and the associated emotional blockages with that. Now I can say from my heart that I can conduct PLR therapy with confidence and composure. I'm fluent in English and Tamil. I can also communicate in Kannada, Malayalam, and a little bit in Telugu too. I can understand Telugu very well. I've been practicing Heartfulness meditation past 23 years, and I'm also a trainer for this Heartfulness meditation. Here I would like to humbly tell that I'm also Pranic healer, where I've completed 3rd level in Pranic healing.